Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we got a short video for you today. You may or may not know Divi has just released their AI module, or an addition to their theme here, and I'm sure it's absolutely awesome. I haven't had a chance to really go through it. I will be making some videos on it in the future. I do have one major problem with it though. Let's just enable the Visual Builder. If we go down to any module or add a new module now, let's just go into this module here perhaps. We've now got this generate content with AI button, which is great. You can click on it, you can generate images and content, and you can get a free trial. If you own the Divi theme, it'll give you a free trial with so many credits to use. Now my only problem with this is my license. I've got hundreds of Divi sites for clients, and they're all going to have this on there, and they're all going to be using my free trial. So it'd be nice to have a toggle switch to just turn this off and turn it on various sites. That way your customers can't inadvertently use up all your credits. And so the best way to hide this is with a bit of CSS. I got this script directly from Elegant Themes. I think they've jumped on this bandwagon a little bit quickly. It's going to be great, but we need to be able to turn this off for our client sites and things like that. So to hide this, go down to your dashboard. You can go to Appearance, Customize, and then Additional CSS Panel, or you can go down to Divi Theme Options. Under the General tab, if I roll all the way down to the bottom, I'm just going to add a little bit of code here. I'm going to scoot down what's there already. I'll give it a title. / // always a great idea to give things a title, makes things so much easier to find, especially if somebody else edits your site. Anything you write between the stars will not be read as code. So I'm going to say hide AI. I've got a bit of code over here. Like I say, I got this from Elegant Themes site. I'm going to pop it in there. And what it's doing, it's actually just going to hide the icon. It'll still be there, but it's not going to show it, which makes it a lot easier. Once I've popped that bit of code in there, and I'll put it back down below the video for anybody that wants it, just copy it, drop it in there, hit your save changes, go back over here, let's X out of there. We'll just save our changes and refresh the page here. Let's hit refresh now. Now if we go down to any module, we'll go back to that same one. We've no longer got that AI button up there, which is just what we want. Bit of a pain having to do that on every site, but at least it's an option. So like I say, get that code, paste it into your custom CSS or additional CSS panel, and you'll no longer be seeing the AI content up there. Any site that you want to get it back on, simply delete it, save your changes, and again we'll refresh this page. And if we go back in there, we've got our little AI button back again. So there you go guys, there's how to turn off your AI using a bit of CSS from elegantthemes.com. Like I say, short video today. We will be doing some more videos on this because it's going to be awesome. But there's something I thought you might like to know. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm just going to put that back in there. Don't forget, if you have any questions, drop them below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a little demo video. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.